Okay, so I bought this lathe that I've picked apart now. It's a 7-inch by 12-inch lathe, and it didn't really perform as I wanted. So I wanted to see if I could fix it. So I picked it apart, and I noticed that the timing belt is, well, it's not stretched at all. It's actually just easily remove this, and of course it is here. You have a plastic cog. I'm guessing it would skip quite easy if it's not tensioned enough. So let's see if I can figure out how to tension this. It was skipping. I'm guessing the belt might have stretched or something might have moved. But before I go and buy a new belt, I'll try to see if I can shift this motor down, and by doing that, stretch the belt. Right, so removing this cover, I see there is a nut here, and there's also a seems to be adjustable. It's just loosening it, moving it upside and down here, up and down. And this is apparently a number 10 wrench. So I'll do that and see if I can adjust the motor on the other side here. Okay, let's see. This should be possible to move now. Oh, look at that belt tension. Great. I'll just put some force on this and tighten the nut again. Okay, so after adjusting the motor there, the belt tension is a lot better. Not sure what perfect belt tension is in this case, but a lot better than previously at least. Okay, so now it's time to put everything back and try it out. Let's see if I can start it up and if it works as it should. Previously I could just put my hand on the shock here and stop it from moving, which is not the case anymore. So let's see if we have done the trick.